to a dazzling spectacle of opulence and style. Step into the world of the elite as we unveil a home tour showcasing 10 living room interiors that are nothing short of extraordinary. Designed for a pop star celebrity's residence in the heart of Los Angeles, these spaces exude a level of grandeur that mirrors the lifestyle of the stars. Each living room is a masterpiece that seamlessly blends sleek modern elements with bold and vibrant accents. Here you're greeted by an atmosphere of splendor that captivates the senses. A grand chandelier stands as a testament to luxury, casting a brilliant glow that illuminates every corner. Statement art pieces adorn the walls, speaking volumes about the celebrity's refined taste and artistic sensibilities. But it's not just about appearances. Every detail serves a purpose, creating a harmonious symphony of comfort and extravagance. Plush velvet sofas invite you to sink into their embrace, while fur throws add a touch of luxury and warmth. The space is designed with meticulous precision, ensuring that every piece of furniture not only looks stunning, but also contributes to the overall ambiance. While indulgence is paramount, the living rooms are also equipped with high-tech entertainment systems that cater to the celebrity's modern lifestyle. Custom-designed furniture pieces add a unique flair, reflecting the individuality of the star. As you explore each living room, you'll witness a fusion of style and substance, where personalized touches and celebrity charm come together to create spaces that are as unique as the stars themselves. This is more than just interior design. It's an art form that encapsulates the spirit of Los Angeles, a city known for its vibrancy, creativity, and star-studded allure. On this journey through lavish interiors that redefine luxury living. Whether you're an enthusiast of opulent design, a homeowner seeking inspiration, or simply someone captivated by the allure of celebrity lifestyles, this video promises to be a feast for your senses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as we celebrate the artistry of interior design in the context of celebrity luxury. Thank you for being part of our community, where we unveil the lavish beauty that graces the living rooms of pop star celebrities in the captivating city of Los Angeles.